असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now we shall see some examples. Look at carefully here. So I have given 11 examples here. So let us discuss why they are polynomials and why they are not polynomials. So I have written here all the algebraic expressions only, okay. They are maybe polynomials, may not be polynomials, okay. Look at the first example. So 3x square plus 2y square plus 3xy. So what is our definition? They must be algebraic expression. It means the polynomial must be algebraic expression and involved variables. All the involved variables must have positive power, okay. So look at first example, 3x square plus 2y square plus 3xy. So here involved variables 2, x and y, two variables involved here. So the powers of x, x is having power 2 and y is having power 2, and here x is having 1, y is having 1 as the power. So this is the polynomial as well as algebraic expression also, okay, right. Next, coming to second one. So 3x plus 4y plus 2, is this an algebraic expression? Yes, it is an algebraic expression. And is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial also, because the involved variables x and y having the positive powers, okay, right. So in the first example, how many terms are present here? How many terms? So 1, 2, 3. This polynomial having 3 terms, okay, right. Here second one, 3x plus 4y plus 2. It is also a polynomial having 3 terms, okay. Involved variables x and y, two variables involved here, okay. Already we have seen in the previous video about variables and terms, okay, right. So now coming to third one, 3x plus 5y square plus 2. So is this an algebraic expression? Yes, it is an algebraic expression. Is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial, because the involved variable x and y having the positive powers. Here it is 2, the 2 is a positive integer, and x having the power as 1, that is why it is also a polynomial, okay, right. Coming to fourth, 5x plus 3b plus 3. So involved variables 2. So what are the powers? So the x power is 1 we are having, the b power we are having 1. The involved variables x comma b are having positive power, it means non-negative integer power, okay, right. That is why this is also a polynomial, okay, right. Coming to fifth, 2a plus 3b plus c. So how many variables involved here? There are 3 variables, a comma b comma c, and in these 2a plus 3b plus c, the variables having the positive powers, a as 1, b as 1, c as 1, okay. So that is why it is also a polynomial. So coming to 6, 3a power minus 1 plus 1 by b plus 2, right. Is it an algebraic expression? Yes, it is an algebraic expression. So is it a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial, because so what are the variables involved here? A and b. So what is the power of a? Minus 1. What is the power of b? This b we can write here, b power minus 1, okay. So the a and b involved variables having the power as minus 1, okay. So what is our condition saying here? The involved variables having non-negative integer power, so they are negative integer power. So this a and b having negative integer power, that is the reason why this is not a polynomial, but it is an algebraic expression. Remember that thing, okay, right. So coming to 7th, 4x power minus 2 plus 3y power minus 1 by 2 plus 2, okay. So it is not a polynomial, because the involved variable x and y not having positive integer power, okay. We must have the positive integer power on the top of involved variable, okay, right. So here it is x having the minus 2 and y having the minus 1 by 2 as the powers. By this reason this is not a polynomial but it is an algebraic expression, okay, right. So this and this fail to satisfy the polynomial condition, okay, right. Coming to 8th one, 4y square plus 3x power minus 3 plus 1 by 2, okay. So this is a polynomial. It is a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial. It is an algebraic expression. Why it is failed to satisfy the polynomial condition? Because the involved variable y and x. So here y is having 2. So no problem for this. So x having the minus 3 as the power. So due to this x power minus 3, due to this number 8 question fails to satisfy the polynomial condition. Which one? X power minus 3. Due to this reason this is failed, okay. So this is also an algebraic expression but not a polynomial, okay. So coming to 9th one, 1 by 2 x square plus y square by 3 plus root 3x. Yes, is this a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial, okay. So involved variables x and y. So involved variables is x and y, okay, right. So 1 by 2 x square plus y square by 3 plus root 3x. So all the variables having the positive integer powers, okay. So this x having the 2 as the power and this y having the 2 as the power, this x having the 1 as the power. So somebody says, so this root 3 is not a positive integer. So just focus here. We need to check the variables powers only. No need to go for its coefficients, okay, and constants. So we must focus on involved variables powers only, okay, right. So involved variables here having the positive integer powers, okay, that is why it is a polynomial. So coming to 10th one, root 5 x square plus 4 under root x plus root 3. Is this a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial because here the second term 4 root x. So root x we can write x power 1 by 2. So this x having the 1 by 2 as the power, this 1 by 2 is not a positive integer, okay, right. So due to this 4 root x, due to this root x, it is failed to polynomial, okay. So this is also not a polynomial, it is also an algebraic expression. So coming to 11th one, root 7x plus 5y plus root 9. So is this an algebraic expression? Yes, it is an algebraic expression. And is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial because so root 7x plus 5y plus root 9. So involved variables x and y and they are having positive integers, okay, on the power, okay, they are having positive integer as the power. So that is why it is also a polynomial, okay. So how many failed here? 6, 7, 8, 10 are the algebraic expressions but not polynomials, okay, right. So remember the one thing, you must check the variables whether they are having positive integer or not. If they are having positive integers then they are called polynomials. If they are not having the positive integers then they are called algebraic expressions only. And remember one more thing, all the polynomials are algebraic expression but all the algebraic expressions need not be polynomials, okay, right. This is about algebraic polynomials and algebraic expressions, right.